Hi, Bes! Kamusta ka na? Hi, Bes! Hi daw. Hi! Kamusta ka na?
Hello, Tita Betchay.
Malapit na lumabas si Minimi. Minimi mo. Huwag ka na masyadong mag-isip. Wishing you safe delivery. Safe kayong dalawa ni baby girl. Safe lahat. Walang mangyaring kahit anong problema. Pray lang tayo palagi. Ha? Sensya ka na sa boses ko. Nag-concert ako. I love you.
Congratulations po sa baby girl.
I love you, best. See you soon. Mwah.
Hello, madam. Good morning or good day to you. I hope everything is well with you. And kung anong meron tayong challenges and difficulties that we are facing right now, God is always there for us. There's always a reason. And especially, God gave us people around us to support us in all the obstacles and difficulties in this life. Especially you, nandiyan si Kester, and us, your family and friends. Always there for you. Sige, ingat and God bless. Have a nice day.
Hello, Kai. Andito ako sa work. Sorry. We are praying for your safe delivery. Kaya mo yan. Okay. Kaya niyo ni baby yan. And God bless. Okay. Don't you worry. Pray ka namin always. Mwah.
Hello, Betchay! Excited ka na ba? Malamang-lamang sa uuwi, no? Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Excited na rin kami na makita si Kendra. Kendra nga ba? Nakita ko lang yan sa comment ni Mariana. Well, I hope it's Kendra. It's a nice name. And it might be overwhelming physically, emotionally, mentally. Pero there's one thing I've discovered sa tanda kong to. I've discovered that women have superpowers. We are able to thrive in in extreme situations. We were made to survive and even enjoy life's ordeals. Kaya, sit back, relax, kasi may superpowers ka. Ay, mali. Sorry. Kailangan mo palang maglakad-lakad. Para mamawala ang manas, di ba? And of course, you can always rely on God. Jesus is your Savior yesterday, today, and tomorrow. See you soon, very, very soon, you and Kendra.
Hello po, Tita Betchay. Know that we're excited and we are praying for you. See you soon, baby. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Tita Betchay. See you soon, baby cousin. She'll surely be a cutie.
Hi, Tita Kai! It's been a while, long time no see. Joke lang. Tita Kai, keep on fighting for the baby. You're doing good. And, we're always pray for you and the baby. Keep fighting. Kayang-kaya mo yan. God bless. We love you.
We are praying for you and the baby, Tita Kai. Love you.
Much love. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Kai. Andito ako sa work. Sorry. We are praying for your safe delivery. Kaya mo yan. Okay. Kaya niyo ni baby yan. And God bless. Okay. Don't you worry. Pray ka namin always. Mwah.
Hello, Jinky. How are you? We miss you. We're praying so much for safe delivery and also for your good health. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Basta think positive always, ha? We're here for you. One chat, one call, and one text away. And also looking forward for your next vacation na Lilo. Kay malagaw gikitaya kag makaon damo nga seafoods. Love you. Mwah!
Hi, ate. Kaya mo yun, ate. And we love you.
Hi, Ate Kai! Say hi!
Hi.
Good health lang. We
Yeah.
miss you.
I miss you
and your baby. Stay strong. See you soon. Can you sing Ate Kaya song, please? Liwanag sa dilim. Come on.
Magiting bago na weekend, ikaw
Liwanag sa dilim. Yay! We miss you, Ate Kai. Stay strong. We're praying for you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Kai. Pinag-prepare ko kay Lord na good health ka lang all the way sa pregnancy mo. And I know you are a very, very, very strong woman. I love you.
Kai, good luck. Ingat. Kaya mo yan. Happy birthday, Bethany.
God bless you, Arkay, and see you soon, Bethany.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy advance birthday.
Hello ate, good luck sa delivery date. And happy birthday in advance kay Bethany. Alam kong kaya nyo yan dyan. Bye-bye! Good luck!
Hey ate, safe delivery kay Bethany. Kaya mo yan. Punta ka ulit kayo ng Pilipinas at magpa-party tayo.
Hello, Ate Jinky. God bless you sa iyong delivery and I will pray for you and baby Bethany. God bless you.
Hi Ate Kai, happy birthday. Joke. Good luck sa second baby nyo. Sa baby girl. Pag uwi nyo sa Pilipinas, bigyan nyo na lang sa amin yan para may alagaan kami.
Tapos nag-delivery Ate Kai. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Bye ka na, Coco. Bye. Hi.
Kai, fighting.
Galingan sa pag-ire. Nandiyan na kami.
See you soon, Bethany Rolang.
Okay. Kamusta naman dyan? Balita ko, medyo maselan yung pagdadalang tae mo. Ay! Tao pala, sorry!
What kind of joke? That's not a joke to begin with.
Ayun nga, kasama mo kami sa pag-pray na maging healthy kayo, both ni baby, at malagpasan mo yung mga minimal problem sa panganganak. So,
Safe
delivery!
Safe delivery.
Marcus!
Ingat always.
Ingat always!
Cheer up.
Ay Kai, malapit ka na pala mga anak. Ilang linggo na lang, ilang tulog na lang, mga anak ka na. So, ingat lang at huwag isipin yung masama. Healthy lang pagka deliver ng yung baby. Huwag isipin yung masama para at least hindi ka ma-stress. Lagi ka lang kasi nag-iisip ng masama iwasan mo yan para maging healthy din ang baby. Sige, hope we'll see you soon.
I love you, Mommy. You're the best. I love you so much. Please take care of baby.
Hi, Mami. Grabe. Sobra-sobra yung pregnancy mo ngayon. Pati ako nagmukhang pulpes sa mga kinakain natin. Anyway, always remember, you're not alone on this journey. We are always here for you. God is with us and baby is okay. Basta ako, I will never get tired of taking care of you. We love you so much. Malapit tayo sa finish line. So, kapit lang, ha? Hi, Mami.
We love you so much.